Before installing an AP, check the type and specifications of the installation scenario to determine the installation method and required materials. This video provides instructions on how to mount an AP on a spring tee using steel wire ropes. Prepare appropriate tools and protective gear before installation, as the installation position may be high. Only experts wearing protective gear can perform installation. Do not insert a paper knife deeply into the box when unpacking to prevent damage to the device inside. You need to prepare a small mounting bracket and 2 steel wire ropes. After determining a proper installation position, drill a hole on the ceiling from the top to the bottom for the Ethernet cable to pass through. The position of this hole is a reference for you to locate the position for installing the AP. Ensure that the Ethernet cable hole is in front of the mounting bracket. The arrow on the mounting bracket points to the front end of the mounting bracket. The joint of ceilings is exactly the axis of symmetry for the mounting bracket. Mark the mounting hole positions on the 2 sides of the joint point with a marker. Group J holes on the mounting bracket are recommended. Drill holes on the aluminum panels based on the marks. The diameters of holes should be slightly larger than those of steel wire ropes. Thread the steel wire ropes across the 2 aluminum panels. It is recommended that 2 persons do this together. One person threads the ropes from the top to the bottom, while the other threads them from the bottom to the top. Lock and tighten the ropes above the spring tee. The bracket is installed successfully. Connect the Ethernet cable to the AP as required. Clamp the AP on the mounting bracket. Ensure that the 4 rubber feet on the rear of the AP fit into the mounting holes. Slide the AP slowly. When you hear a click sound from the release lever, the AP is properly installed. Check the installation and request qualified commissioning personnel to power on and commission the AP.